Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the moving VWAP indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the moving VWAP indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. We've also tested a total of 929 indicators, with 385 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 108 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're looking at an advanced testing of the moving VWAP indicator. You can see it here on screen. In the original testing, this did 28 trades within the 1 year's time with a 67% win rate. And so we did keep this on the daily time frame with the default take profit and stop, which you can see here. And so in the original testing, what we were looking for was a price action break of this blue line here. Blue line being the moving VWAP. And so basically they have taken the VWAP indicator and made it closely resemble or more like an actual moving average. And so I did go in and make just a slight modification. So under the input integer here, I turned the font or the thickness here up a little bit, so that way you can see that it stands out a tad bit more there. And so, like I said, in the original testing, what we were looking for was the price action break of the moving average line, or the VWAP line here. And so, for example, when we get a break to the downside like we do right here, price action is above, comes down, breaks down to the downside of that VWAP line there. And you can see that we make a really nice push to the downside there, which would have gotten us to our take profit. And then you can see that we get a break to the upside right here as we get that break of the VWAP line, and another nice push to the upside there, which would have once again gotten us to our take profit. And you can see we get a break to the downside here once again, nice push, and a break to the upside once again, a nice push. And so that's how we tested it in the original testing. That's how we tested it in the advanced testing. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through that advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in that advanced testing. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a TradingView indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go over the results of the advanced test here. So we did a 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 22 winning trades. We got 28 losing trades, and so that's going to put us at a 44% win rate. As we had a pretty decent little drop from that 67% win rate that we originally gotten. And so it's no real surprise that this indicator struggled. I'm surprised that it did as good as it did in the original testing. We've seen many times before when we've used a single line price action break type setup like this with moving averages, that it generally doesn't work out too well. And so this is a little bit more realistic, I believe, in what we originally anticipated this indicator was going to do. And so, like I said, it's no real surprise that it ultimately dropped the win rate quite a bit. And so this one is now going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.